did make it funny. Thank goodness you're here today. All right, here we go. Now, again, listen, guys. I am really, really, and truly expecting you to just zip through this. Very simple. All right, I don't think it'll take me long to explain, so we're just going to go around the room real quick, and you're going to tell me the answers. All right. First and foremost is let me just make sure you understand what's going on. All right. Now, sometimes you are the purchaser, and sometimes you do the what? Buying. All right. So everybody understands the idea of running a business is to make a profit, correct? So you have to buy something, and then you have to sell it for more than you what? Bought it for. All right. So that's essentially what we're talking about. All right. If you mark something up, you add it to the price. If you mark something down, you what? Subtract it from the price. All right. When you go to purchase something at a store, generally you buy it at a what? Discount. Like you all have heard about the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday and the big discounts. That's what we're calculating today. All right. I'm going to try to show you how you can quickly figure out what the price is. All right. Now, again, I'd rather do quantity rather than just make you write everything out. So again, I want to write it out the first couple problems, and then you're going to kind of see how simple it is. But it's important. All right? So I want everybody to listen to me. If you're going to mark a necklace up 25% so you can make a profit, all right, someone tell me how I could mark it up 25%. What would I do? That's right. And of course, that's 7.5. So then what? That is correct. So stop. Don't write anything down because you're going to do it even faster than that. All right? So here's what she's saying. She's saying that she needed to find 25% of 30, and then she took that answer, which was 7.5, and added it to $30. So the answer, you're not writing this down, is $37.50. That would be the price. Everybody agree with that? So I want everybody to take out their calculator real quick so I can show you something. So everybody do 30 times 0.25. And what is that? And then do 30 plus 7.5. And that's called boring. All right, that's called boring. All right, we don't have to do all that. But you got to listen to me. All right, I want everybody to listen. $30 represents what percent? 100%. Does everybody agree with that? Then we're going to add what percent to 30? 25%. Does everybody agree with that? So now the total is going to be what? 125% of what it was. Everybody with me? So now, what? I didn't give you an answer. I just said the original was 100%, and if I add 25% to 100%, I get 125%. 7.5 plus 30. No, multiply. We're doing 25% of 30. Of means multiply. So we did 0.25 times 30. That's how we got 7.5. All right, now watch what I want you to do. What? I can't help that. Of means multiply. We had is, which means equal. Per is divide. Thank you. All right? So here we go. Now I want to show you the quick way. All right? 125% can be written as what decimal? No. Tell me, Michaela. Yeah, 1.25. So the quickest way is to take $30 and multiply it by 1.25. Everybody do that. Tell me what that is. How much? $37.50. All right, now I want everybody to stop and think about what I just said. That has to make sense to you. All right, we want to know if I mark something up 25%, what would the new cost be? It would be the 100% plus the 25%. Does everybody agree with that? All right, now you can see I've got lots of problems to do. All right, does anybody have any questions with number one? So now I want to talk about number 2. So we buy a scooter and we want to make a profit. All right, let's pretend like we have a little eBay business. And you had an old scooter and you want to make a 55% profit. All right? It originally cost your parents $15 to buy. Now they said you could sell it. What would you be selling it for on eBay? What? That is exactly correct. 15 times 1.55. Everybody write that down, and then we're using a calculator. Everybody has to write that down and then use a calculator. And so what would you be selling it for? Exactly? Or did you round that? It's exactly 23 point what? So you would sell it for $23.25. If you sold it for $23.25, you would have made a what percent profit? 55% profit. Everybody good with that? All right, so here we go. Number 3. All right, we got problems on this one. Now, we go to the store and buy something that's on sale, 10% off. How do I find this answer? If you saw shoes for $48 and there's a big sign, 10% off, how do I figure out what the sale price would be? He's going to tell me. And then what? You're very good. Yes, and tell me what that answer is. You are brilliant. I'm really proud of you, buddy. So the answer was $43.20. Very happy with you. Very, very good, actually. Well, he just is good with numbers. 10% of $48 is $4.80. And then he just did $48 minus $4.80 in his head, which is $43.20. You with me on that? Now, 1 second though. I'll let you get in. Normally, when you go to the store, you have to pay what percent? 100%. If you pay anything less than 100%, you're probably what? Stealing. Thank you. You're probably stealing. All right? You always have to pay 100% unless they have a discount. So in this case, instead of paying 100%, you only have to pay 90%. You only have to pay 90%. So what everybody do is I want everybody to type in 48 times 0.9 and tell me what that is. Yes, it is. And because we're doing dollars, we would say $43 and what? 20 cents. Now again, I think that's pretty easy if you guys understand what I just said. Normally we pay 100%, but we got a 10% discount, so that means I only have to pay what? 90%. That's right. That's right. 90% to a decimal. Very nice. Is everybody happy with that explanation? All right. Mr. Varner, you're up. Number 4. What are we doing? So how do I solve this problem? Everybody write on their paper 200 times 1.36 and tell me what that answer is, please. $272. Now, if you're not with me, now's the time to speak up. James, tell me about number 5. You're awesome. And tell me what that is. $33.75. Perfect. Everybody okay with that? Now again, this is why I want you to write the numbers down, because I need you to write the numbers down to make sure you understand what you're doing. Oh, I want the calculator to do the work. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, I did. Thank you so much. I was counting on Jackson. Keep me honest. 33. Thank you. All right. Number 6. Harrison, you're up. That's right. That's right. Thank you so much. That is exactly correct. And tell me what that is. We would say $28.80. Correct? Jackson, number 7, please. Wait a minute.
100 plus 33.
Good.
And I'm going to do 18 times 100.
Thank you. And tell me what the price is. Everybody okay with this? Uh-oh. Are you discounting it? True? All right, so you're up with number 8. Go. Tell me what to do. Mm-hmm. Good. Everybody okay with that? All right, Marion, you're up. Number 9. There you go. It's a 15% discount. So what percent do you have to pay? Yep. $120 times what? Yeah, 0.85. That's beautiful. How much? $102. Everybody okay? All right, Nathan, you're up. Number 10. What do I do? $27.50. Okay, I'm feeling good. All right, next, number 11. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes. All right, number 12.
So you 40 times 8.
Perfect.
Which is
$36. Good job. Say it again. Yes, ma'am. Good job. $16.20. All right. Future comedian.
Oh, I see.
Yes, that is you. That is you.
Okay, so at the 12% market, 35 at 1.12.
Yep.
And $39.
Thank you. $39.20. Everybody okay with $39.20? All right, next, 15. Times what?
0.2
Well, you can do it that way, but it takes longer. If you get a 20% discount, what percent do you have to pay?
0.2.
There you go. Everybody happy with 31.20? All right, next 16.
Waffle iron $28 with 18% markup for 48 times 0.18.
Times what?
1.18.
Good.
And equals $33 and 33.04.
Is that right? $33.04. Is that all right? All right, let's check out 17. All right, you're up.
Well, 3 minus 5%.
Yep, 12 times 0.95. What is that? $11.40. Everybody happy with that? Everybody understand now what I'm saying, how easy that is, right? It's very easy, right? I like the little shortcut there to it. All right, that's what I want you to know. Most of the time, people don't care what the discount was. They just care what the final price is. Everybody agree with that? All right. So now, listen to me. On this page right here, everybody is supposed to write out what your two things you're multiplying. Right? Everybody's supposed to write down both things that you're multiplying and then write down the answer. All right. Now, on the back page, do I care anymore if you do that? No, the reason why I don't care is because you've done it enough now that you've got it into your brain. All right, what I want. All right, so you can just write the answer now on 1 through 25. All right, you can just write the answers for 1 through 25. But the first page, I wanted you to write out the work. What?
Can you do number 6 on the back page?
6 on the back page. Why would I have to do that? Because it would be 899 times 1.348.
Okay.
You know, I got that now, right? 4/5 is 0.8. Everybody happy with that? That's a good question, actually. All right, if you're ever unsure, you could have done 34 and 4/5 and just divided it by what? 100.
Okay.
You with me on that? Yes, ma'am. Of course. All right, guys, get to work. Get to work, get to work, get to work. All right? I think you're good enough that you could finish this up before you leave.
Oh, yeah.